Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off sounds in Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through the steps on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in. You will see this kind of interface after you are logged in. Now, in order to turn off sounds, you need to go to the settings first. So here you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now from the given menu, choose the option settings. Tap on it. Once you're in the settings menu, make sure that you are in the general section. Here you can see different options like voice, music and sound. So in order to turn off sounds, you can just disable this sound option. If you want to disable the music and voice option too, you can do so by choosing to disable this music and voice option. That's a very easy process to turn off sounds on Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.